Angel boy, don't say that. Never gonna stand a chance. Heartbreak like a sad romance. Said that you'd never come back again. Been 3 days, now you're back again. But I'm not your man, no.
Alright guys, so I've done the foundation concealer portion powder of my face. I will do a full makeup tutorial soon as I get the new products. I'm thinking with the Mickey 90th anniversary or Mickey 90th birthday collection with Dose of Colors. I'm just patiently waiting for my products right now. So Canada Post currently has a strike at the moment. I don't know if my products are going through Canada Post, but I don't really know how it works, to be honest. But I ordered the Dose of Colors collection on the day of. I think it just left the US. And then I ordered the James Charles Morphe palette day of again, and again I won't expect it until November 28th. So I'm just wondering with my Canadian watchers if you guys got those products as well. Have you guys got them yet? Because I'm like, feel like I'm waiting for such a long time and I'm really sad about it. Alright, so guys, so the products that I use for my face, they'll be in the description box below. So we're just gonna go right to the eyes, guys. So I put on my eye primer potion already. I haven't done the lower lash line actually. So as usual, my Urban Decay primer potion, guys. So I'm just gonna go lower lash line as well, using my fourth finger. And I feel like I haven't done a talking video in such a long time. Oh, and also those who are wondering when we're going to do another bartending video, be patient. We will have more videos in December. It's just because John and I have been doing Sober November. Just like, it's not an actual thing. It's just what John and I are doing at the moment. And it's been going okay. Like, I'm fine. John gets kind of sad, especially when at dinners, especially Korean food. He gets sad about it, but it's okay. It's fine. It's good for him. Okay. So going into the Natasha Denona Gold palette again. So we're gonna go with this green shade, guys. Python, which is one of my faves in this palette. Interestingly enough, it's one of the shades that I have a hard time blending. It is buildable, so I find it's kind of patchy. Like when I went the first round with the brush, like some patchiness, but it's totally buildable. I don't mind it. It's kind of annoying though, because it's like it's kind of a very expensive palette, but again, you can still build it, so not bad at all. So I'm going to start with okay, so I tend to use this side a lot more, guys, because the warm colors. I love the Dijon color, but I think I'm gonna try Aria, friends. Aria. Alright, so into using a fluffy blending brush, guys, I'm gonna go into the shade Aria. So it's a cooler brown in the palette. So I'm just gonna go right in the crease, friends. As my transition shade, just going back and forth lightly. So always start lighter, friends. You can always build. It's harder to take off product once you've already put it on. Yeah, so I feel like I've been going on like a makeup splurge, guys. I'm like blacking out. It's not good. So thankfully and so kindly, John got me the Mickey 90th birthday collection. And then I had to pick up the James Charles palette because it has every color that I wanted to use. And it's all in one palette, so I'm really excited to use that. And then I also purchased some products from ColourPop, like a lot of the glittery stuff. And I'm also going to try some of the metallic lip. Hope it turns out well. And I did pick up the Periwinkle lipstick. We'll see. We might just play around, make a makeup look for a video. Maybe. Depends. We'll see. I find it's kind of cool toned. I'm not sure how that looks on me personally. It might make me look like really sickly, but we'll see. We'll figure it out. And then using a smaller blending brush, friends, I'm gonna go into the same color, Aria, just to get into this portion of my eye here. Okay, so I find blending brush is a little too big, can't quite reach that area. So next thing here, I'm going to go into my Anastasia Sultry palette into the shade Fresh, just to blend out this area here and also apply that color on the brow bone as well. So I'm just going to take a more pointed blending brush. And with the same brush, guys, I'm just going to go into the shade Log in the palette, which is that dark cool tone brown, guys. Okay, so just right on the outer corner, guys. Again, you can always build, friends. So start light first, blend it out, add more product, and repeat until you like. So I'm just going to go a little bit softer with Log, just because I'm going to layer Python on top of it too. So I wiped off excess product from this same brush, guys, and now I'm going to go into that shade Python. I'm just going to go right beside Log. Actually, right on top, I lied. So I'm going to put that right on top, guys. Blend the two shades together. Just leaving the... It's okay if you get some product in the center of the lid. I'm just going to clean it up later anyway with some concealer. So just blend. And I'm also going to put that in the inner third of the eye as well. Yeah, so not sure if you guys can tell, guys, but like, so it's very patchy from like all my crease in that line. Probably can't see it on camera, I'm not sure. So I'm just going to take a smaller detail brush just so I can get that color right in there. Okay, and then back into that tapered brush, guys. I'm just going to connect in the crease. Like so, guys. That's why I really like this blending brush. It gets right in that crease and doesn't go above. Then I'm going to go back into my regular blending brush, back into Aria, just to soften up those edges. I don't want to add too much more color, so I'm actually going to take clean blending brush and blending that out. Okay, so it looks like a horrendous mess right now at the moment, but now we're going to clean this up a little bit. So I'm gonna go into concealer brush, friends. It's flat with a rounded edge, friends. So I'm just gonna go into my Born This Way concealer. Oh, you pick that right in the center of the lid, guys. I'm just gonna spread that around. Okay, and for this look, guys, I'm not too concerned if it's not completely opaque with this cut crease, because I'm just going to layer on Aurora, and I find that one's more like a topper shade, if you know what I mean. And feel free, of course, you can completely cover the lid with Python and then layer Aurora on top. I just wanted it to be a little bit brighter in the center of the eye. Damn it, this is what I get for blinking. Whoops, more like no looking up this time. There we go. Alright, now I'm going to use my pinky finger, guys. I'm going to go into that shade Aurora. So nice, it's so soft, guys. And I'm going to put that right in the center of my lid. Oh yes. Ooh, I like that color. Nice. I like this shade. Alright, so I'm also going to apply Lime Cordial, which is that golden limey color in the center too. So before I do that, I'm just going to darken Python in the inner corner and the outer corner. Also blending that line with Aurora as well. Okay, so going into that Lime Cordial shade, again, I'm just going to use a finger and I'm going to lightly tap that over top of Aurora. Oh yeah, there we go. Okay, using your finger to blend out that line with Python. Alright guys, so for that lower lash line, I'm going to go back into Aria and also Python. So I'm just going to use this small detailed brush. Okay, so into Aria. Okay, so the same shade we used for that transition blending color. So pretty close to the lash line. Okay, and into Python. Okay, I'm just going to take a clean eyeshadow brush just to blend that out. Right, last thing for the eyeshadow, guys, I'm just going to take a small brush and I'm going to go into Brass, right into the inner corners of the eye. Okay, just to really make this eye look pop even more. Woo. Alright guys, so I'm just going to apply my eyeliner and my mascara, so I'll be right back. Alright guys, so for this look I would usually apply falsies, but I just have work later, so I'm not going to bother putting them on. But I actually like how this turned out. As I was doing it, it's kind of like, it looked kind of messy, but after I applied eyeliner I was like, that's not too bad. But yeah, feel free to as well, guys. You can apply black liner on the waterline. I find when I do that though, it kind of shrinks my eyes, so I just leave that alone. But yeah, so that's the eye makeup, guys. So on to the rest of the face. I'm gonna go into my Hoola bronzer from Benefit. I'm gonna use a nice fluffy brush. Okay, so I'm just gonna go where my shadows naturally go. Feel free, if you have troubles finding it, you can go into that fishy face, friends, and then you're just going to apply. Okay, so just lightly buff that into the skin. Okay, so you're also going to apply that on the temples. Okay, and the side of the forehead. Okay, and then right in that jawline as well, guys. And of course, top of the forehead as well. There we go, bring some life back into my face. For the blush, I'm going to go into the Tarte 12-Hour Amazonian Clay Blush in Partey. Using my blush brush. Okay, just on the apples of the cheeks. Alright, and for highlighter, guys, I'm actually going to try the ColourPop Super Shock Cheek in Flexitarian. I got this from my dear friend Megan. It was one of our bridesmaids gifts. So it looks like that, and it's really cool. It's a very soft texture, so I'm assuming I'm gonna apply this with my finger. So we're gonna try this out. So soft, guys. Okay, so I went a little cray. I barely touched it, and a lot of product comes off, so we're gonna see how this turns out, guys. Show ya. Ooh. Oh, that's nice though. Ooh. Oh, these are nice. I like it. Ooh, and because of the texture, it's easily buildable. It's awesome, guys. I love this. It's really soft. Well, I'm kind of sad. I did make an order to ColourPop recently. I was kind of hesitant with their Super Shock highlighter palette because I wasn't sure how I would like this. I don't know why I didn't use this earlier. I think I used it once before and I was kind of confused on what to do or how to use it, and I was just like, yeah, this is really nice. I really like this. Okay, so I'm just blending that out. Bringing it up toward my temple too. Just using the warmth of my finger, guys, just to blend this product out, and it just melts into the skin. It's really nice. Ooh. I want to add a little more. think I blended that out. There you go. Okay, and I'm also gonna hit brow bone. Should I blend that out? Alright, sorry there guys. Ran out of memory again in this camera. I take a lot of boxing footage and like sometimes it's for that full hours and I have multiples of it, so next I'm gonna highlight that nose, friends. Right where the sun's hitting. Ooh, wow, okay. Ooh, I like this actually a lot. And also the tip of the nose. So I'm just getting around the tip of the nose, guys. Cupid's bow as well. Ooh, there we go. A little bit on the chin as well. Just some leftover product from my finger for the chin. Okay, and as for lip, guys, I think I'm just gonna go nice and simple. More of a pinky nude color. I think I'm gonna go with my main from the Desi Katie Dosa Colors collection, and I'm gonna match that with Spice lip liner. Yeah, so I find like with my bronzer and blush doesn't really change. I'm switching up my highlighter because I usually just use the Fuego one, and my lips are kind of the same. Like I always use the same lip liner Spice. Actually, I lied to you guys. I'm gonna go with the Fenty Stunna lip paint in Unbutton. I'm just gonna line my lips first. Ooh. Okay. Okay, with that Spice. So I did grab some new lip liners and lipstick colors from ColourPop. A lot of things were on sale, so I grabbed a lot of the I Love Sarah E lip colors. And then I also got that Periwinkle one, so I'm actually really excited to try it. Alright, and going into Unbutton. Alright, and last thing guys, just to seal this look, I'm going to use that Urban Decay All Night Spray. Alright guys, and that is the finished makeup look. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's been a while since I've chatted with you guys. And yeah, I actually like how this turned out. And yeah, kind of wish I had somewhere to go tonight. Debating whether or not to wear this at work, because this is kind of intense, but I might just roll with it and do it. Alright, but yes guys, comment below whether or not you like this look, what other looks you'd like to see. I will have the Dosa Colors and the Morphe James Charles palette video coming out soon when I get the products in my hands. I'm really impatient now, I just really want them so badly. Don't forget to like and subscribe guys, and I hope you are having a lovely and wonderful day. So I'm just loving how this highlighter turned out guys. I didn't expect to like it this much. And yeah, remember, you'll never succeed if you're afraid to try. Bye guys.
Want your body. Damn. Your perfect face, not to mention your perfect body and leggings. The way you move while you're dancing.